Hi boys and girls, this is Mrs. B. Hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to play a game using the dice that we made, and we are going to roll the dice, add them together, and then jump out the sum of the two numbers. Okay? For example, if I roll my dice, and on the top of the faces I roll a 5 and a 2, then I need to add those together. If you don't know the patterns of dice, then you need to count these just to make sure. Okay, so let's count together. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I know there's 5 plus 2 more. If I know that there's 5 on this dice, let's count on after 5 to see have all together. So if I know there's 5 here, what's after 5? 6, 7. I can count on to get 7. So I know that 5 plus 2 equals 7. So I could write that in equation. I could write 5 plus 2 more equals 7. So now, since the answer is 7, Atticus has to jump 7 times. Okay? And then if you're at home watching, you can jump with us as well. Okay? Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Good job. Alright, now it's Mrs. B's turn. Now he's going to roll, and it's going to be my turn to add the two numbers that he rolls. And then I'm going to have to jump the sum. First, roll your two numbers.
3 plus 2.
Okay, he rolled these two numbers. He said 3 plus 2. So if we know that there's 3 on this one, why don't we count on after 3? What comes after 3? 4, 5. It's an easier way instead of having to count them all together, okay? So let's write this equation now. 3 plus 2 more. This is the equation that Atticus wrote. Let's read the equation together. 3 plus 2 equals 5. So now Mrs. B has to jump 5 times. I have to jump the sum of those two numbers. Okay, let's ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's it. Now it's Atticus' turn to jump, and Mrs. B's turn to roll. There's the roll. And we have 2 brand new numbers. How many is on this face? If you've been playing with dice, then you can know that this pattern is a pattern of 5. What comes after 5? 6, 7, 8. So I have 5 plus 3 equals 8. Let's write that in the equation and then together. And if you're listening at home, you can jump on your own with us, okay? So, what was our equation again? 5 plus 3 equals 8. So how many times are we going to have to jump now? 8 times. Everybody, if you're jumping at home, go ahead and jump nice and high with us. Ready? Let's jump. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, boys and girls, now it's your turn to make an equation. I'm going to roll the dice for you, and now you have to add them together and jump out the sum. Okay, so I'm going to roll. These are the two numbers I rolled. I noticed that this has more dots on it because it's a bigger number. This is 5. So I'm going to start at 5 and count how many more? 1 more. So what comes after 5? What number comes after 5? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 comes after 5. So now you have to jump 6 times. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's roll it, see if we can get a different number. Okay, this is a good number. We have how many on this dice? Go ahead and count them if you don't know the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 plus how many more? 4 more. What's 6 plus 4? Remember, try to use the trick I showed you, the counting on trick. We know there's 6 here. I'm going to count on after 6. What comes after 6? 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you have to jump out 10 times. Ready, set, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Want to roll it one more time? Look at these two numbers. Which one has more on it? This blue dice has more on it. They have 5. So I'm going to start at 5 and count on. 6, 7, 8. Go ahead and jump 8 times. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now it's your turn. I'm going to roll them and you will add the two numbers together. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need to count them out. 5 and 6. 11. One more. What's the sum of these two numbers? 2 and 2 makes 4.